because the market
I did.
is so
That's huge. I don't know how you. Oh. Good morning. Milk. Let's go to get milk.
using the Take a Note planner as my journal, and I was
most beautiful doggy. Ah! I will have to bring you to church with me. Huh? I will have to bring you to church. So you will be sitting with me there. Huh? How you say? You will do it? You will do it? Oh, you will not do it. You will do it? Huh? Look at this beautiful dog. Look at you making faces to me. Making faces. Oh, love you so much. Shoot it. Leash in that way. I hope it doesn't drop. Like, fall apart. Okay. Are you peeing while walking? Oh my gosh. Crazy dog. What dogs with hydrants? Let's go. Huh? Okay, it will be a short walk for my first walk on 2025, and also my first walk since my injury. The good thing is healing. That means that maybe in the future I will not need a surgery. That's what I don't want. And I will be able to work out more. So far, I put my bracer just to avoid so much stress on my knee, and it's not hurting, but I don't want to jinx. So let's try to do it easy today. He's like sniffing all my stuff to see what I'm going to do. Now I sit until 9 doing it so far. How is going my... A lot left. And this is my companion. But now I need to go and iron. I have a lot to iron. Thank you. So I have a lot of iron here. To iron here, this is a challenge. It's a small room. It's my sewing room, my computer room, my husband's closet, my crafting room, and also my iron room. So I have to move my old chair here. From here, that is where I keep my water and my iron. And I was having breakfast, sorry the mess. And then I have everything here. So, and then I put something to watch while I iron. So we will do that. Still raining outside, so what I'm planning to do is go to get my decoration, but I will put a part here under the pergola, so will not be so bad. Look at this green. I will try to clean this. Ooh, don't fall. Okay, I have these two drying there because I don't want to keep it that way. And now I'm going to clean my steps. The steps are all this moss is making the steps very slippery. See that? Those are the new ones, those are the old, and all of them are very slippery, so we will clean that. Okay, now they are looking clean. It's a big difference. Also the old ones, well, they are very old. So now I need to take care of these. Let's do that. Okay. Not so green now. Well, I got all clean. I take a shower. My hair is wet. I am ready to just chill out and relax. I was planning to do some sewing, but you know, I have only 2 more days, today and tomorrow left, to enjoy, and I will do that. I will go to try to finish my puzzle, and when I finish I will give to my friend Tina on Monday, so let's do that.